One French lady by name Severina Martin Dumont, age about 44 years. She, along with her adopted daughter Deepa, aged 7 years, were found dead in the bedroom on the bed. And in case of a lady, her jugular vein was found cut with a blade, and the blade which she used was found on the bed itself. With that, her finger was also cut and blood was flowing down. Whereas regarding the daughter, probably the daughter has been killed by smothering, and the police found suicide note in the house, on which she has clearly written that she is committing suicide. This is in French. We got it read through the Frenchman. In fact, the information had come also from a Frenchman who is working here as a scientist in NIO. He told the police that lady's husband, Richard, he called from France, saying that his wife is not picking up the phone. Better you go at home and check. That's why he went to the place and he banged on the door, but nobody was opening the door. So he just pushed the door and it got open. The other girl, there was only indication that she has been killed by smothering. And then other document we found that she has been adopted, that order is there. And her passport and other things are found. So right now there is no suspicion into the death. Appears to be a suicidal, but still we are investigating, and then only we'll come to know, because husband is in France. Even my PI Anjuna spoke to the husband in France. So also the father of the girl, he was also giving indication that she spoke to him and she was saying that she is seriously ill or something, she want to commit suicide.